So if you think the chai chat with AI friends is really not working or crashing or not opening, this is what you have to do. First of all, you have to make sure you launch your device to your phone menu. Then after that, you tap on the store settings app. After tapping on the settings app, tap on app and notification. After tapping on the app and notification, tap on app list or see your apps. So you have to wait for someone for it to load. After that, you tap on it. So after tapping on it, wait, it's loading and it's going to arrange your apps that you've installed on your device alphabetically for you in order to find the app you want to fix. So over here, this is where you have to search for the chai app. So let's search for it. So when you type in the chai app, then it appears like this. Then you tap on it. So in this video, I'm going to use this demo app to replace the chai app. So let's tap on it. After that, you tap on the notifications, make sure it's toggled on. So after toggling it on, go back, then you tap on storage and cache, make sure the cache is cleared and also the storage is also cleared. After doing this, what you have to do is to tap on the mobile data and Wi-Fi, then you turn on the background data. After doing this, go back, check the permissions, make sure everything is allowed. So after doing all this, tap on force stop, then tap on OK. Then now go to your Google Play Store, then you check for the updates. Just tap on the update. After updating it, what you have to do next is to restart your device. So you tap on restart or reboot, then you tap on OK to restart. Everything is going to work perfectly. See you in my next video.